Oh, I think we're recording. Hi, crafters! How are you doing? Happy Avengers Month! So I'm actually recording on my new Logitech webcam, hashtag not sponsored, and I don't know how it looks. This t-shirt looks very bright. I'll probably change it. Avengers Endgame is coming out this month. The new trailer dropped yesterday morning, and it is filled with just visual pleasures. Jake, come here. Come here. No, we're not doing that today. No, okay. Okay, so, the Funko Pop... Oh, okay. So I just gave it away, but I'm going to start doing, Funko dolls. I don't know what I call them. Funko Pop dolls of the month. And, yeah, I have a lot, so... could last me till 2020. So the first one of this little thing we're doing now is Colossus from X-Men. He was in the new Deadpool. Love this guy. It's a real symbol of strength and steel balls. Wow. Look at that. Bobblehead. Hear that? Okay, well, thank you so much for watching this little fun segment called Unfunking Fun. We're working on the title. Gonna add this to my collection. We'll see you next time.